Today, I was showing you a scholarship opportunity you can take advantage of. This funding opportunity is the Boston University PhD in Anthropology. So the goal of this scholarship is to support advanced research in anthropology. And their target student is people that are looking for MA in public anthropology and people that are seeking professional masters. But if you seek professional masters, they won't fund you. But if you are going for the PhD, then they will fund you. And they can fund you up to 5 years, $39,000 per year. If you're interested in anthropology, PhD in anthropology, you might want to check out this opportunity. I believe you must have found value in this video. Please like, share, comment, and if you send the word or comment the word class, I'll send you a link where you can join our free class, where I will teach you on how you can take advantage of this particular scholarship and apply. I'll show you all the secrets you need to know. Drop the word class now, and I'll see you there.